How long have you been taking photos not knowing that you could get these ridiculously high quality images? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal this hidden feature, exactly how to use it, when to use it, why you should use it, and how it's benefiting you and you don't even know it. Now, to activate this feature, what you want to do is you want to go into your iPhone's camera settings. In the settings menu, go to formats and turn on Apple Pro RAW. Apple Pro RAW takes your camera sensor from being a 12 megapixel, 12 million pixel sensor into a 48 megapixel sensor, giving you better colors and a way better resolution. Now, turning on this feature will take your photos from being 4K to 8K. Then when you go into the actual camera app on your phone, you'll see in the top that it says RAW. Now you need to turn RAW on to activate the 48 megapixels. Now bear in mind that this does mean that you're going to be taking up more storage on the phone because it contains more information, but if you want those ultra high resolution images, you're going to put up with it. Now let me show you the difference between the 12 megapixel and the 48 megapixel. You'll notice that when you zoom in, the 12 megapixel is kind of mushy. Now zoom in on the 48 megapixel. Yeah, it's actually ridiculously sharp and clear considering how far we just zoomed in. There's actually a feature in your phone that's completely fake that you didn't know was being done the entire time. You know that 2x zoom on the photo and video? Yeah, it's not real, it's completely fake. It's actually that 1x camera taking all those megapixels and zooming in and giving you a 2x zoom without losing any quality. Do you feel lied to? Do you feel cheated? Well, don't, because it's all in your favor. Now, please bear in mind that the 48 megapixels will only kick in when you've got the RAW mode activated. So, when should you use it? I think you should use it whenever you're taking landscape photos or portraits that you know that you're going to print out, because the more megapixels that you have, as soon as you print out an image, the clearer it's going to be. Now you don't feel so bad about printing an iPhone photo and hanging it up in your house. It's all good and well taking ultra high resolution photos on your phone, but it doesn't just stop there. If you want to know more about how you can take bangers with your iPhone, make sure you watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Civic.